Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be. May Almighty keep you happy and keep you homes inhabited. May you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing crochet skirt designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow. Press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Showed you people in all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel. In the designs first time you can also buy to the market about the designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing with similar designs. Dear friend, daily inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch fashion related, if you guys want, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you there is some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Take care. Will remember parent. Bye.